Today we are discussing about the case study on circuit switching, packet switching, and message switching. Now we are taking up. Now we are over to Gaussian.
Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about switching. It is used to send the data from source to destination. It is classified into three types. One is packet switching, circuit switching and message switching. Again, packet switching is classified into two types. One is datagram packet switching, another one is virtual circuit packet switching. Applications of switching is mobile networks and telecommunication and data centers, etc. Advantages of packet switching and circuit switching is it is used to increase the speed and it is used to avoid congestion or to the job. Hi guys, today I like to speak about packet switching. This method is commonly used in computer network. Here the data is divided into smaller chunks called packets, and it has and each header will have sender and receiver informations. And once the data and each packet choose different independent paths to reach the independent path and different routes to take the different routes to reach the destination. Once all the packets reach their destination, it is converted into virtual message. Let I explain with an example. I take an email sending as an example. In email, when we send an email, the message is divided into smaller chunks of packets. And once it reaches the receiver side, and it is converted into the virtual message. Over to Kavya. There are two types. One is datagram packet switching and another one is virtual packet switching. In datagram packet switching, the message is divided into small one called packets. Each packet called datagram. In this, the data is traveled from source to destination in individual paths. It doesn't travel through a same path. Let us take an example. If we send a message called hello, it divides into small packets HEL, LL, and O. After reaching the destination, it reassembles the message and converts it into original message. In virtual packet switching, before the transmission of data, it establishes a path. In that only, all the packets are traveled. Let us take an example for virtual packet switching. For example, if we call to a person, the connection is established between us and to the other who connect with us. After ending, it turn off the connection between us. Over to Dakshin. Now I like to share about circuit switching. Circuit switching is in computer network is a dedicated communication path between the user and the receiver. If the communication path is between the server and the receiver before the data transmission starts. For example, in traditional phone call, if a person one calls to person two who known as the communication path was maintained until the call cuts. Packet switching in a computer network is a system. Here the data is divided into smaller manageable chunks called packets, and each packet contains its own header. Each packet has its own header containing source node and source file and its destination file, and each packet travel independently through the network. Here the data is divided into smaller manageable chunks called packet. Then the data is transferred after it reaches the destination. It is reassembled into a virtual message.
In packet switching, there are two types. One is datagram and another one is virtual. In datagram, it is independent and flexible, where each packet routed independently without no dependency. The data are divided into small chunks called a datagram. Each datagram travels the different paths.
Now I like to talk about circuit switching. Circuit switching is a branch of in CNN refers to the dedicated communication path between the two devices. Usually the communication path is between the sender and the receiver.
Usually all the data packets use the same pre-established path.